Ebuka Obi arrest me. Any day Ebuka Obi arrest me, I will arrest his family. I will burn down that is Zion. I've heard him on video saying it. Ndị Igbo ekelekwa m ụnụ. Ọ ka m bụkwa bụ Jovi ka mụ na-ekwu. Achọrọ m ịgwakọ n'ụnụ na onye ọbụla gburu nwanne ya bụ ọgaranya abụkwa n'odogwu. A na-ama dike n'ụlọ. Ọ na mba onye gara mba wee mee ihe ike ya wụọ dike. Onye nji wee bata n'ọgbọ na-abụ mmadụ dịka Udele, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya Udele, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya Ijele, Chukwuka, our own brother. Ahụghị m one or two videos of onye na-ekwukwu sị ndị na-aṅụ ọṅụ na-enwudere ya na ọ dị wrong. Ụkwa ndị na-aṅụkwa n'ọṅụ na-enwudere na-aṅụ ọṅụ na-enwudere ya. Ma ọwụ eze news mụ mmadụ na-atụkpo ole ya. Ma achọrọ m iji ihe gbasara Chukwuka wee kụzikere mmadụ ihe onye chọrọ ịghọta. Ma onye na-achọghị ịghọta a sị na atọrọ ofe ichi na ya atụkwara ọmara ya amara. Let me tell us something. Nobody has it all. In this life, nobody is perfect. Nothing good comes easy. And nobody will ever is indispensable. And nobody is infallible. Do not boast about tomorrow, because no one knows what will come tomorrow. The lesson I learned the Basra, this particular guy, Chukwuka Ijele, that now he should always tread with caution. Matter that now the window can turn any day, anytime. I saw a short video. People were on the line for interview. The lady that was in front, they fought against it, they connived against her. I don't know what happened. They pushed her to go and start at the back. She stood at the back. After quarreling, she said, okay, oh, let me stand here. But do you know what happened? People that were waiting for the interview at this door never knew that the door behind them is where the particular people is going to open for the interview. They didn't use the other door. They used the door behind. And the lady that was behind happened to be the first. Ijele, you have always been boasting about your connection. You are working with the militaries. You have it. I remember vividly when you made video was insulting calling my brother's private part. I didn't do nothing to you. Just because Matthias was arrested, we made a video. I never was happy that Matthias was arrested. I made a video, even condemned the manner he was, until they explained to me that he was trying to fight the police guys. And that was what happened. I say I condemn his action, but I condemn the manner he was arrested. No matter I disagree with him, he remains my brother. No matter I disagree with him, there are truth in what he's saying. But trying to instigate violence is what I am against. Till tomorrow, that is why any organization that engages in violence, and the violence has to do with you taking down the life of your own brother, I am not with you. And that is why I disagree with some organization. Now, in your own case, you also may be against a particular organization, but you are contributing to the falling down of their life. You may say they did this or did that. That's what they are giving the back to them. Well, one thing I know, whatever anybody sows, he will receive it. Could it be that what you sow is what you are receiving now? Who knows? Now, but the reason why I heard that you were arrested, because you went and made a placard about Ebuka Obi. That is, my brother, that is somebody shooting himself at the leg. That is what we call overbearing attitude. This is doing something without looking back. How could you do that? You have done it against Omoto Fufui. He didn't do anything. You did it against who again? Carrying placard. Most of the people you are doing it, maybe they don't care. But now it has come to the turn of Ebuka Obi and his people or him or whatever. They got you arrested. Got you the alarm that you have been put to prison to stay there. You will come out, I know. But my wish and advice to you, if you come out, tread with caution. Everybody say, I'm a man of truth. Truth is bitter. We have to say the truth. Truth is bitter. But truth is like a medicine, injection. Children don't like medicine. And if you want them to take the medicine, you have to devise a means to let them take this medicine. When they take it, don't give them overdose. Truth is bitter. Don't give us overdose truth. Overdose of everything will lead into destruction. That's one. Number two, truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. Truth, it depends on what you see as truth, because human being cannot see all. That is why those who say who have the gift of revelation and prophecy, they see, just like myself, but I don't see all. I see as it being revealed to me. The one that God revealed, that's the one I will see. The one He didn't reveal, I will not see. The same thing is applicable to any man of God. Any man of God that tells you he sees everything is a liar. We are limited because we are not God. It's only God that is perfect. It's only God that does everything. So I want to encourage you, my brother Ijele, tread with caution. The man of truth who said the truth, you can kill the truth, you can kill me, you cannot. You need to stay alive to keep telling the truth. It's a truth. You need to tread with caution. I had an interview with a group with this Global TV, Abuja. Somebody listened to that interview, came and told me, why wouldn't you say Fulani people are terrorists? Why are you saying that Fulani IPOB are not the same thing? I said, my dear brother, this is my first time being invited in that particular channel. I know what they told me before it started. They know this, please don't say anything that will make me to be fired. I love my job. I'm bringing you. So I'll be stupid to go and say, I'm a man of truth. I start calling, making some utterances. You have to tread with caution. Anybody who has the truth without knowing the wisdom to release the truth is putting himself on danger. One day it will catch up with him. I'm only making this video, whether you call it that I'm just over him, I don't care. But I'm telling you to advise him and all his followers, they should be tread with caution. Now I also want to let you guys know, when he normally comes online, you need to see the video. People, those who are sharing this video, those viewers, he normally had 200 viewers, he has about 400 something followers. Where are those followers now? 400 or something. Where are they? If you think come doing whatever you're doing with impunity because you have followers of social media, you are an influencer, be careful. On the day of reckoning, they will not see those followers. Where are they? Among all the followers, 400 and something followers, 200 and something different platform, where are those people now? The reality has catch up on him. The way reality caught up in Matthias, he came and stood for Matthias. He was not saying that he loved what Matthias is doing because of he hate Christianity. He hate Ebuka Obi. Let's remove hatred in this our platform. We are Igbos. Let's remove hatred. You can disagree with your brother, but don't tarnish the image of your brother. I have right to disagree with Ebuka Obi in whatever he says, because there are things I disagree with him. But I will not come to call him names because I can't judge him to be evil, wicked, when I not have evidence. I can't say he is fake when I don't have evidence. That is the truth. I told one young man who we called some person, you guys are fake. Say, evidence matters. Say, what evidence do you know? Who told you that there's no way prayer can heal, prayer cannot heal? So anything that said the prayer heal is fake. That's his own. You act according to the best of your knowledge. Let's be very careful. Ijele, I wish you enjoyment of what happened to you, but learn your lesson from there. That's all I can say for you. And those of them who are following them, all those who are gingering him, let them learn their lesson from what has just happened. Any day because they arrest me, any day because they arrest me, I will arrest the family, I will burn down that is Zion. I've heard him on video saying it. Let's be very careful. I remember Jovika. Remember he made a post when he was insulting my mother. I called him. I made a video with please I beg. I don't get your power. I know they do saga. I don't follow for this level. Leave me alone. I beg. But if you say you don't want to leave me alone, you get where you could push somebody. When you push somebody to the wall, definitely that will reinforcement. I'm happy what he did. He did an apology. He made a post. Maybe I would check that for if I see it, I'll post it there. He apologized. And that is my brother. We move on. But he needs to curtail his excesses. There are a lot of excesses. Nobody has it all. And every day will be for the thief. One day is for the owner. Let's watch it. Social media is a place that can make you rich. You can also bring it down. You can deform your character on social media. It can also make you famous. Some of us are famous because social media. Some of us will also be notorious. Social media. Let's be careful what you put in there. I remain Jovika. As I'm advising you, I'm advising myself. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Ebuka TV in all social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter, YouTube and Insta Anchor. Truth must be told, Sogi Brodibia or Pastor. Okwa television with the truth is what you ask for.
This is Jovika Television. Jovika Television, poised to reach you with the truth.